guys, it's me Adam, and today we're unboxing two Pyros. If you can see them, I'm just gonna check. And first we're going to start off with Skydoes Minecraft. It has the banner. It says the Sky Army. It has a Sky Shield and a Sky Sword. We just get the scissors. Okay. Let's cut this open. And it tells you characters. It tells you the characters that you could collect. Let's open this thing. I haven't got like one of these two Pyros. I only got like the plushies.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Cut it with some scissors or something. What are you looking for? What are you digging for?
Huh?
What does your mom say? You're digging for something or what?
No. Ugh. So hard. There you go. Okay. Like I don't need that. Let's take out this thing. Okay. It says the Sky Hero. So this is the Sky Hero pack. And we got Sky with his golden suit and the other Sky without his glasses. So hard. Oh. Okay, that's Sky. Oh, you can take off his glasses. It's cool. You can take off his glasses. Let's slide them back in. Where's the other one? Okay, just need to slide this one back in. Okay. Sky. Now let's get Sky without his glasses. Sky with the golden suit. There's Sky without his glasses, but he has glasses, but they're on top of his head, but you can't take them off. Take them off, and his hair is not showing that much. And you could get the Sky banner. I think this is the real Sky. I think the Sky's fake. Because when he takes off his glasses, they don't look alike. Let's see. This one has red eyes and that one has green eyes. That's a mistake right there. And this one has a bigger eyebrow than that one. Wait, yeah. That's a mistake we caught in this toy. On his glasses, and we could give him his shield.
As much as $35,000 to learn Trump's real estate investing secrets. The main claim is handpicked Trump's attorneys say he developed the curriculum but had no role in the day-to-day operations at Trump.
Sky Army. Sky Army. And this one comes with the butter sword. This one comes with, I mean, not golden, butter armor, and his butter shield, his butter sword. So cool. That's, and I think this butter arrow, tipped arrow, butter tipped arrow, give it to the fake.
The city is now in a virtual lockdown. People being told to stay home and avoid public areas. Units public transit systems shut down as well. Once again, President Obama has offered his condolences and support.
And they have durable legs.
Germany's one of our closest allies, and so
I think that's how you say it.
pledge all to support Ukraine.
And that's them. Okay, the next one is, it comes with 4 characters: Ashley, Mary Gaming, Jerome Stuff, Captain Sparkles and Big Star 123. And it says over 5 billion views. Wow.
I
More than me. What?
Mayor Garcetti, Police Chief Charles Bagg said while those numbers are disturbing, most individuals feel safe.
Los Angeles is a safe city overall. But as I always say, well, that means very little if you're a victim of crime.
Okay.
There are alarming
Wait, move. I'm sitting here. Okay.
crime numbers that we
I'm
haven't seen
sitting on
in decades.
Open this. Oh! Fell out. Fail. Fell right now. Okay. We got Ashley Mary Gaming right here.
You got 2 more minutes, Adam.
Okay.
What's this guy got?
Sky, the same guy you have with the fake Sky. And we got
I love
Jerome.
the
I call him Jerome, but he's
Jerome
Jerome Sup.
Mijo, se está quemando Canyon Country. Están
It's not
diciendo
that
que
furry.
esta
It's not furry.
peligrosísima.
And we got Captain Sparkles.
Estén listos, ¿no? Porque la lumbre viene muy
Captain
rápido y por
Sparkles.
fin nos
Captain
evacuamos.
Sparkles.
I'm just much.
And Vicky Star 123. I don't know if he's a. Is he really a YouTuber? He looks like Steve, but with the shirt and the shoes.
Yeah.
That's
Wow,
it
he's
for
golden.
That's it for the characters. And
He's really golden. He's golden.
I know. That's it for the characters. They're right here. I can't see them up. And the last is the slime sword. Captain Sparkle's slime sword. Cut this.
Oh, yes!
Cut this slime sword. Oh yeah, we got all this at the thrift shop. It's cheap.
Yep.
Abel has this Sky Does Minecraft, and it comes with the butter sign and I think a regular butter sword.
And I have a golden short and a golden.
It's not golden, it's butter.
You can see you back your great aspirations and great results. In your university, UBA. Learn more about our online and on-campus programs.
Ooh, I want to kill that dancing again. Comes with the dancing and comes with Grim and. Oh, I have to take this. Move, Abel, move. Whoa. And we got Captain Sparkle's slime sword. Whoa, this is sick. Bam.
I'm going to jet for a little while. I'm going to show you.
And these characters are really cool. Oh my god. Okay, that's it for the video, guys. Bye bye.